In Maharashtra, the Meera Bhayandar Vasai Virar police registered an FIR against a lawyer for sharing a video by YouTuber Dhruv Rathi that criticized Prime Minister Narendra Modi during the Lok Sabha elections. The incident occurred last week on May 20th, when the advocate Adesh Bhansode, who also serves as the Maharashtra Secretary of the Communist Party of India Liberation, shared a video linked to Rathi's video titled Mind of a Dictator in the Bar Association of Vasai WhatsApp group. The video shared in the group was created by YouTuber Dhruv Rathi. The video, published on May 19, delves into the life and personality of PM Narendra Modi. It explores his journey from his school days joining RSS, his role in the BJP and his tenure as the Chief Minister of Gujarat. It also analyzes how his political decisions have impacted every corner of the country. Hello and welcome. This is Akanksha and you're watching HW News English. A day later, video was uploaded on YouTube. Advocate Adesh Bhansode attached the link of the video and shared it in the Bar Association of Vasai WhatsApp group. He also urged the members of the WhatsApp group to watch the video before going to vote, aligning with the fifth phase of polling which was held on May 20th. Following this, another lawyer from the same group filed a complaint with the police, describing the video as objectionable. In response to this, the police lodged a suo motu complaint and registered an FIR on May 21st. The FIR, based on the complaint by the head constable from the secret branch of MBVV police, claims that the video shared by Bhansode contains false statements about Lok Sabha election candidates and attempted to influence the voters, thereby violating the prohibitory orders of the Commissioner of Police. The police action has sparked a discussion on the limits of free speech during the elections. In a bid to ensure smooth election proceedings, MBVV Police Commissioner Madhukar Pandey has issued a prohibitory order for his commissionerate from May 18 to May 20th. Bhansode has claimed that the FIR is illegal, asserting that it is an attempt to state and suppress free speech. He claimed that the police did not follow due legal process before filing the FIR under Section 188 of the Indian Penal Code, that is IPC, which pertains to disobedience upon an order duly promulgated by a public servant. Bhansode pointed out that according to the Section 195 of the Criminal Procedure Code, that is CRPC, the police must obtain prior permission from the concerned court before registering an FIR under Section 188. Criticizing the police action, Bhansode said, and I quote, "The video was watched, liked and shared by millions of internet users. Will the police lodge cases against all of them? I am protesting against the illegal FIR. That's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and also download our app HW News Shorts for the latest news and updates.
A grueling 6-week-long general election in India is coming to an end. 543 constituencies across the length and breadth of India.
लोकसभा चुनाव 2024 आ चुका है अपने अंतिम पड़ाव पर। कौन होगा विजय? किसकी बनेगी सरकार?
Will the BJP do 400 par, a claim made by the Prime Minister, or will the opposition India Alliance stage a comeback?
अब की बार
Join us as we bring to you expert analysis and incisive and in-depth perspectives on who has the edge.
पाए सटीक विश्लेषण, बिना किसी शोर, बिना किसी सनसनी, हमारे इस विशेष लाइव।
So join us for the exit poll on the 1st and for the final results on the 4th. See you then.
Exit polls coverage on 1st June 6:30 PM onwards. Result day on 4th June 7 AM onwards.
सिर्फ HW News English और HW News Network पर।
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.